The Albion are away at Crystal Palace today, but for those fans that didn't make Selhurst Park, 4,000 are expected here today at the Amex to watch it on the big screen. It's going to be tense. We're 20 minutes away from kick-off. How are you feeling?
Fairly confident today, with Southampton losing today, which was a bit of a surprise. They were sort of 2-0 up into the second half. Takes a little pressure off Brighton a little bit.
Are you feeling confident today? Can the Albion beat Palace?
Yes.
What's the score going to be?
2-1 to Brighton.
And with those big games coming up against Spurs, Manchester United, Man City, Liverpool, can they pick up any points from the remaining games, do you think?
I think they can. I think Burnley away they might get something, and Man United at home.
Are you more nervous about the game or getting married?
Getting married.
Do you think the Albion can win today? No? Do you think a point would be enough?
I'm not sure it's enough, but I'll definitely take a score draw today, I think. I want a bit of entertainment. We must not lose this game. If we win, we're good. If we draw, then we've got work to do still. If we lose, we're in trouble.
The match has just got underway. 4,000 fans here inside the Amex. It's very tense. It's been a terrible start for the Albion. Zaha have put Crystal Palace ahead 1-0. There's some pretty glum faces around here. It's going so badly for the Albion. Crystal Palace have just gone 2-0 up after a goal-mouth scramble. Glenn Murray has just pulled a goal back for the Albion, and the atmosphere has very much changed here at the Amex. Crystal Palace have just gone further ahead with a second goal from Wilfried Zaha. It's Crystal Palace 3, Albion 1. Esquerado has just pulled one back for the Albion on 34 minutes. It's Crystal Palace 3, Albion 2. I'm joined by the ex-Albion player Guy Butters. Guy, the Albion had a terrible half, but somehow they're still in it.
Yeah, I think going away and conceding 3 goals and still being in the game, I think, you know, I think they're quite lucky at the moment. We didn't really start off too well. I thought if we go there and keep it quiet for 20-25 minutes, and maybe their crowd might start to turn on them because they're very vocal.
Yeah, disappointed with the result, but the performance, especially the second half, was decent. It was patient. We just didn't. I mean, on another day, Murray sticks both his chances away, especially the one at the end, and we're going home with a point. But as the results have gone, we're still in good shape.
A disappointing afternoon for the Albion. It's finished Crystal Palace 3, Albion 2. Although they didn't play well in the first half, the Albion stayed in it with those 2 goals, but they couldn't quite get the equaliser in the second half. And it's been a very disappointing afternoon for the 4,000 fans here at the Amex. Still to come in the run-in to the Premiership season, Manchester United, Manchester City, Liverpool, and the small matter of Tottenham back here on Tuesday night.